Did you hear about the taxi driver who became a rally champion? Buckle up, because this is the incredible story of Petter Solberg.
From the streets of Norway, where he once drove passengers in his taxi, Petter Solberg had a dream, one that went far beyond the city limits. While others saw just another taxi driver, Petter saw every drive as training, every turn as a step closer to his real passion, rally racing. Armed with nothing but his determination and a beat-up car, Petter stepped into the world of rally racing, ready to take on the giants of the sport. It wasn't easy. The road was rough, the competition fierce. But Petter's spirit, honed by countless hours behind the taxi wheel, was unstoppable. And then, in 2003, he did the unthinkable. Petter Solberg became the world rally champion, leaving the world in awe. From a humble taxi driver to the pinnacle of rally racing, Petter proved that with passion and grit, anything is possible.